Hello, bro. I'm Han, and I'm teach you how to wall hop on your mobile devices. Take note, this is a hard skill to learn, and it may take you days to learn or master it. Let's get started. But first, you need three finger for this setup. Your right point finger are going to flick the camera 45 or 90 degrees on your right, and your thumb are going to press the jump button, and your left thumb are going to move the character. First, face the wall and move your character to the wall, like this, and jump. After you jump, quickly move the camera on your right and jump at the same time, like this. Congrats! You just learned how to wall hop on mobile. Practice it many times and eventually you'll master it. I recommend playing on wall hop practice on this game. They have so many levels to master wall hop, ranging from beginner, intermediate, pro, or speedrunner. That's all. Goodbye.